Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are comparing Threema versus Session, two privacy-focused messaging apps. So let's see which one is better. First up, we have Threema. This is a Swiss-made messaging app that focuses on privacy and security. It uses end-to-end encryption for messages, voice calls, media, and group chats. The best part, you don't need a phone number or email, giving you a high anonymity. It's perfect for users who want secure communication without being tracked. The main drawback is that it's a paid app, which might not appeal to casual users. Now, let's talk about Session. This is an open source, decentralized messaging app built for maximum privacy and anonymity. Like Threema, it uses end-to-end encryption and doesn't require a phone number or email. Messages are routed through a decentralized network, making it ideal if you want to avoid centralized servers entirely. The trade-off, it can be a bit less user-friendly and slower than apps like Threema. So how do they actually compare? Threema, this is best for strong it's best for strong privacy with a polished, user-friendly experience. Great if you want ease of use and secure communication. Session best for absolute anonymity and decentralization. Perfect if maximum privacy outweighs convenience. Well, both apps offer strong encryption, so your choice really comes down to convenience versus ultimate privacy. So that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!